Hey guys, so today it's time for another Lux SB unboxing. So if you guys would like to see what previews I received for Lux SB this month, then just keep watching. If you guys have not seen any of my Lux SB videos, it is formerly Luxury Scent Box, and what it is a fragrance subscription where they send you 1 month's worth of product each month to try out. You can either pick the scents you'd like to receive ahead of time, or you can take a quiz and they will send you scents that they feel you will enjoy. Totally up to you. You can pick men's fragrances, women's fragrances, unisex, whatever you would like. And I think it's a really great way to try a fragrance if you're on the fence about it, instead of going out and buying a full size and wasting your money. So let's see what they sent me this month. They always send me several to kind of share with you guys, to let you know what is out there and what's available for you to pick. So let's see which one is first. They come in little boxes like this. They come in canisters like this. You twist to dispense the product. It has a little spray bottle. You also twist to remove, and inside it shows you how much product you get for the month and then which scent this is. This is the Mascara Lemon Mint. Ooh. This is definitely one I would consider to be unisex. Yeah, it reminds me a lot of the Prada. There was a Prada scent that I really enjoyed that had like some spearmint in it. Very similar. This is not floral. I would definitely say it leans towards the masculine side of scents. But I really like that one, so far so good. Next up, this one comes in a little silver canister. This one is, ooh, Prada Candy Sugar Pop. This is their newer one. So they've had the Prada Sugar one for a while, and I actually had it in my fragrance collection until it expired, surprisingly, and then it just started smelling like alcohol. That one expired very quickly, just be warned. But let's see what Sugar Pop smells like. Floral and sweet, not super vanilla or super caramel. I'm getting more floral than sweetness with this one. So I think I prefer the original, but if that one lasts longer, gotta weigh your options. Then the third preview I have to share with you guys comes in like this celery color canister, which is cute for the spring. And this one is Burberry. Ooh, I remember really liking Burberry a couple years ago. I bought like a sample set at TJ Maxx or something. It was really nice. All right, this one I'm going to spray. What can I spray? There's a spray. I'm gonna spray higher up on my arm here. Now I can't place any of the notes in this one, but I like it. Again, this one could go either way. It's not floral, it's not sweet. It's like a nice down the middle type of scent. And you always get a card about how these work, how to open, how to close, how to refill, update your calendar. So you can always schedule them ahead of time. Like if you know you're going to a wedding in the summer, you can schedule like a romantic or a tropical scent for the month of that wedding or vacation, which is really nice. And then they usually try to send you information about like their fragrance of the month. So the one we got today was Mascara Lemon Mint, and I believe I've gotten a few of their other ones in the past and really enjoyed them. So they're always bringing in new fragrances, so it's always good to check and see what's been added to see if there are any new fragrances that might be right up your alley. So these are the 3 that I had to share with you this month. The information will be down below, as well as a discount code. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing the previews, seeing the notes, and hearing my thoughts of just 3 of the available fragrances. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.